Hello, my busy homemakers, and how are you today? And today, since we're talking all about spring cleaning, and I'm doing my spring cleaning challenge here, I thought I'd share with you a real quick tip for your spring cleaning. And it makes your life so much easier with this product. This little guy. This is great. Now your multi-purpose cleaner, you've got that in your washing walls, you've got it in your bucket, and you're washing the walls and you see these scuff marks on the wall and they're not coming off. That's where the eraser comes in really handy. It really, really helps. It gets off permanent marker. It gets off the crayon markers, the crayons on the walls. It gets off those shoe scuffs. And you know, sometimes you get those shoe scuffs on the appliances, on the stove or on the washer and dryer when they run by, the kids run by with their shoes and the shoes hit it. This really works well. Now this also works great on your white resin plastic chairs outside, not the ones with the webbing, just the white ones with the 4 legs that are just stackable. You cannot fold them. This cleans them up really, really nice. And I wanted to share that with you. Now I buy these, I like to buy them in bulk or when they're on sale. You basically wet it a little bit, wipe the mark off, and it comes right off. Real simple. And it works. It really works. I have been using them for years, since my son was yo-high and decided to crayon my hallway wall. But anyway, that's my spring cleaning tip for you today. And don't forget, pop in my group, Deb's Decorative Life Tips and Inspiration, and join the spring cleaning fun. Bye, ladies.